Looking to create a cozy outdoor space for a garden picnic? Imagine the joy of basking in the sun amidst nature, relishing a delightful meal in your own little haven. Stay tuned as we guide you on how to transform your garden into a charming picnic spot. The first step in creating a cozy outdoor space is finding the perfect spot. Balance is key here. Seek an area with just the right mix of sunlight and shade. Consider the view and ensure it's close enough to your home for convenience. Once you've found your perfect spot, it's time to start decorating. Now let's transform that spot into a cozy haven. Begin with the basics: a picnic table, some comfortable chairs, or even a plush blanket spread out on the grass. Add a sprinkle of cushions for that extra layer of comfort. Consider an outdoor rug to ground your setting, giving it a definitive boundary. And don't forget a bit of shade. An umbrella or canopy can be a lifesaver on a sunny day. With your furniture in place, you're halfway there. Personal touches can make your outdoor space truly unique. Consider adding string lights or lanterns. They cast a warm glow perfect for evening gatherings. Planters or potted plants add a natural touch, bringing the vibrancy of nature right to your picnic spot. Don't forget about other decor items too. Wind chimes can provide a soothing ambiance. Bird feeders invite our feathered friends, and a small fountain can add a touch of tranquility. With these personal touches, your cozy outdoor space is ready for a garden picnic. And there you have it, your very own cozy outdoor space for a garden picnic. From selecting the perfect spot, setting up your space with the right furniture and accessories, to adding those personal touches that make it truly yours. We've walked through it all. Remember, creating a cozy outdoor space is about your personal preference and creativity. So let your imagination run wild and make your garden picnic area your happy place. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden-related tips and guides. Happy picnicking!